first. And if you do 2 nails, you should able to like get this dry a little bit first before you move to the next color. Get piece of paper right here, so that's we need it later. And then the passionate, I really like it because it seems like a really bright. I love vibrant colors. Hope everyone have a great Monday. So if you do the marble nails for clients, just make sure you advise your clients that is none of the nails, that probably you do 2 ring fingers, but none of them are gonna come out identical. So then they know what they're expecting, so they won't be really like upset by not seeing exact identical nails, you know. Like sometimes they show you the nails they see on Pinterest or Instagram from other nail artists. So I'm doing the Calming's colors. So that's it. I'll wipe it up. And next I am going to, I'm gonna wait for just a second and let it set, and I'm going to using crystal clear. And freaking love this crystal clear. It's really helped so much with fusion ink, especially it's like fusion inks, marble ink design. And I don't even need any other brushes, just a brush from this, and the ratio they're doing it for crystal clear is perfect. So it's not too much alcohol and is not too much of acetone, so it's not like bleeding your designs. So this is perfect for beginners. And if you are beginners and you are looking for the way to do marble looks perfectly, this is the one for you. So I am gonna pick up, basically I'm wipe off my brush almost like to really nothing, and I'm gonna start create my veins. If you get chance to watch my live video, for so many live video we've been doing in the evenings of every night, there's a lot of them on Facebook and YouTube as well. So please feel free, if you're first time to tuning in, you can't feel free to re-watching them. There's so many different looks that I create that. So I'm going around. The reason it is because I want to create the veins. If you can see that the veins that I do, wipe off first. You can see that the residue right there. You don't want to put it back into your crystal clear. That's it. It looks really nice. I like all the colors together. So hope everyone have a great Monday. So with this, for the beginners, less is more. You don't want to mess a lot with that. Yeah. And every time before I just create the veins back here. Perfect. That's what I want to see it. There you go. You see that every time I do it, I usually wipe my brush first. so it won't not messing up with. Looks really nice. Great, so if you're happy with this, I am going to do some foil veins in here. Really like that. I'm gonna using Premium's Eye Hole Transfer Foils. Where my plate though? Oh, right here. I have it right here. And this plate, I put the Premium's Eye Hole Transfer Foil. This is stunning. You can put it in, and it's cure. Only need to cure about 30 seconds, and then you can apply the foils on it, and it's transfer completely everything. You can see how much residues I have it in here that can be transferred into your crystal clear. So make sure you have a piece of paper when you work with the fusioning. So our twin tip brush is really compact. It's a dual end. It's one end it was the condensed glue gels. Well, you can using it with gel polish or apply the glue gels, or the other side is a detail brush, and also is the light brush as well. So I'm gonna apply some of my veins right there. You can do this with gel painting. I did quite a few times with the gel painting too, because all of you will request, or some of you will request for that. So we can do this with any veins you want to. Let me see what I have. I'm gonna key it for about 30 seconds. And then we can choose which one we are going to do. Okay. Hope everyone have a great Monday. 30 seconds. And we're gonna pick out which one would you like to do. It doesn't have purple, so we won't have to worry about it. You can do this one, the pink, or we can do the gold. You know what I don't like this gold. I want this gold instead of, maybe this, the whole logo. I can't see it right here. Right here, I'm gonna cut just a little smaller piece. Let me see, anyone have any ideas you want to see? I can't see it from here though. Okay, I'm gonna read the comment later in a little bit. So the nails right there, I'm gonna put the transfer foil gold, but also you can see so many different colors you can do with. It looks so stunning. Good, 30 seconds. Make sure you press it firmly. It looks so stunning. And then now you just need to do is top coat it. That's all you need. No wipe top coat. If you want to go matte, you can go matte as well, but I am going to just add it on shiny for you. But you can see that how much it transfers completely on the side. From this Premium Eye Hole Transfer Foil. Can you lock out and then back in? Top coat. And this one will be done, but if you want to do crystal placement or you want to do something else, I think it looks great as well. Okay, 60 seconds in under the LED lamp, and just now completely done. This is such a great, easy ways and simple way for a lot of beginner. And we have so many, we have such a really high volume of requests for the doing a basics, simple fusions of marble look. So let's go into prepare for the nails of crystal placements. I have the nails pinks right here. What I'm gonna do, I am going to use a chamfer foil and apply whole entire nails and cure for 30 seconds. I'm so excited to be here this morning. Well, actually it's our afternoon in Central Standard Time right now, but then the West Coast is probably still in the morning. Okay, so cure under the lamp for about 30 seconds. This premium eye hold chamfer foil, you just need to cure 30 seconds. And I have this, which is for the like a spring look. I want this one and this three and see how it is. This one, the final look for this nails.